Hi, this is Murray from Ovation Music, and today we're going to be looking at open tuning and the benefits thereof. So on a standard tune guitar you have a high E, B, G, D, A and E, which allows you to play all sorts of beautiful chords. But if you take your hands off the fretboard, that sounds pretty horrible. So open tuning just means that you can take your hands off the fretboard or play in slightly simpler shapes and still get a nice big juicy sound. So the first thing we have to do is tune our guitar to open C. Okay, I'm now in open C. So C major is made up of 3 notes. That's a C, an E and a G. So I've tuned each of the strings on my guitar to one of those notes. So my high E is now a C, my B is now a C, my G stays a G, my D has become an E, my A has become a G, and my low E has become a C. Which means without even touching the fretboard, I can play an open C. It also means that if I just bar with one finger across one of the frets, I can get another major chord. So this, for example, is a D, there's an E, there's an F, there's a G, there's an A, there's an B, and there's a C. It's also really good for solo artists or singer-songwriters who are trying to make one instrument sound like 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So you can take little lead lines like this. Okay, and then you can play them with every single string and it makes it sound like there's more going on. The other thing you can do with open tuning is you can play relatively simple shapes on the low 3 strings and keep this C drone going on over the top of it. So again, it sounds like more instruments are playing than just your one guitar. So if I show you these chords, the first one, if you go to your 12th fret and you play your low 6th string, 5th string and your 4th string all on the 12th fret, you play every single string, then you get a nice C chord. You then move that exact same shape up to your 7th fret, so that's 7, 7, 7, again every single string, you get a nice G chord. If you then move that same shape up to the 5th fret, so you've got 5, 5, 5, get an F chord. Now what I always want to do is get an A minor chord, so if I go to where my A is, that doesn't sound very nice, but if I make the 4th string an 8th fret, so I go 9, 9, 8, you get an A minor with that lovely C going underneath it. So what I have is the 12th fret, you've got the C, then I've got the G with a C underneath it, then I've got the A minor, which is again 9, 9 and 8, and then I play the original shape up here on the 5th. Then I have a chord sequence which goes C, G, A minor, F. And you can play a whole load of songs just with that chord sequence. You've got when I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me. Just a small town boy, born and raised beside the troll. Or you could just play Skinny Love over and over and over again. Okay, hopefully you found some of that useful. We'd love to see some videos if you do try it out. Just remember to tune your guitar back to standard once you've finished, just so there's not too much strain on the neck of your guitar. Yeah, and if you get on well with that, maybe try Googling some other open tunings. There's loads out there. Thanks. Bye.